What do you think would happen if you did 100 push-ups every single day? What kind of benefits would you receive? And how can it benefit your health? We're going to cover that right now, but it's important to know that there are a few negative aspects you will want to be aware of, which will be covered later in the video. Number 1. Targets multiple muscles simultaneously. While you may think push-ups mainly targets the chest, it is actually considered a total body workout, which can also affect your triceps, back, shoulders, legs, glutes, core, and upper back muscles. By doing this daily, it can help with maintaining or increasing muscle mass, and you'll find your muscles will become stronger overall. After you have had some practice with push-ups for a few weeks, you will find that all your muscles will have grown slightly and there will be more of a pump in your chest. This is a good sign that you will be able to do more in no time. Number 2. Promotes bone and joint health. Doing push-ups daily can help strengthen the tendons and muscles around your shoulder joints. The tendons and muscles in the shoulder keep the upper arm bone in the shoulder socket. It is important to increase push-ups gradually when you feel you can increase your push-ups, because you don't want to overload your muscles. As push-ups are essentially lifting your own body weight, it shouldn't be too heavy for you to carry. It can actually increase your bone density. The denser your bones are, the less likely your bones are to break. And this is a good indication that you are healthy and decreases the chances of osteoporosis. Just before we get into point number 3, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Number 3. Burns calories. When you do 100 push-ups a day, it builds more lean muscle mass. If you have more muscle mass, you will have a higher resting metabolic rate. This is because muscle cells require more energy than fat to contract and relax. So even when you are resting, your muscle cells are burning more calories than normal. If your main goal is to burn calories, I would highly recommend pairing push-ups with a cardio exercise like running, as push-ups and lean muscle mass don't burn loads of calories, but they still burn some. Number 4. Strengthens your core and increases stability. When you tense your core muscles, you are activating the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, and oblique muscles, which can maintain a straight body alignment while you're moving up and down. A strong core makes it easier to do activities like sports, bending over, and carrying objects around the house. Having a weak core can result in less endurance and more fatigue. When you perform a push-up properly, while controlling your movement, you enhance the connections between your nervous system and muscles. Constant push-ups strengthens the pathways between your brain and muscles, leading to improved overall stability and motor control. This can help you with other exercises where you need to be stable, for example with planks, leg raises, or even sports. For example, when you're playing tennis, you need a strong stability to run and make a good coordinated movement for a shot with good technique. Number 5. Better posture. If you spend a lot of time sitting, studying, or at a job, it can eventually affect your posture. You may begin to slouch, but with push-ups, you have to straighten your body, which promotes good posture. By completing push-ups daily, it will allow your brain to subconsciously correct itself if you are in a slouch position, and you'll try to straighten your back naturally. By keeping your body aligned while doing push-ups, it will strengthen both your core and back muscles, which can help with lifting objects every single day. Number 6. Improved mental health. Regularly completing push-ups can improve your mental health. There is a close relationship between physical and mental health. When you push, it releases endorphins in your body and improves your sense of well-being and can reduce feelings of anxiety, stress, and depression. Number 7. Improves cardiovascular health. Push-ups increase your heart rate. This strengthens your heart because your heart needs to work harder to pump blood around your body, which is good for preventing cardiovascular diseases. There was a study that showed that men who can complete 40 push-ups compared to men who can't finish 10 push-ups have a 96% lower chance of cardiovascular diseases. It also showed that men who can complete 11 push-ups reduced their risk of heart disease by 64%. This shows that even if you do some exercise, it can result in huge benefits. Now, if you can't complete 40 press-ups, don't worry, it can be tough to reach this goal, and it can be something you can build up to. And this study was very targeted towards push-ups, when overall fitness should be the goal. I believe everyone can eventually reach 10 push-ups if you practice consistently. Number 8. Improved muscular endurance. After weeks of daily push-ups, you will develop better muscular endurance. Muscular endurance is the ability of a muscle to endure repetitive contractions against a force for an extended period of time. You may find that over time your muscles adapt to the push-ups and you can do your sets and reps with less effort. This is a good sign, meaning you can increase reps, sets, or the force at which you go against. To perform push-ups, get into the plank position and keep your arms straight but not locked. Your palms should be flat on the floor with your wrists, elbows and shoulders aligned. Make sure your back is straight and engage your core so you don't arch your back. And make sure your weight's load is spread out evenly. Bend your elbows so the angle decreases to 90 degrees. Try to keep your arms close to the side of your body until your chest is just above the ground. Push your body back through your palms while maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels, and remember to engage your core. Avoid locking your arms and remember to exhale on the way up and inhale on the way down while performing a full range of motion. While 100 push-ups a day can offer a wide range of benefits, it's important to understand the potential risks. Push-ups every day can cause strain on your body, especially if you haven't had enough rest or you're new to push-ups. You may feel overuse in your shoulder, elbow or wrists. Improper form can also cause shoulder, elbow or wrist soreness, and these are signs that you should rest. Only doing one exercise can cause muscle imbalances, so it is good to mix this up with other exercises too. Now let's get into the tips and tricks portion of the video. This can help with increasing your push-ups. I'm going to start from the bottom for everyone. If you're struggling to do your first push-up, I'd say to do knee push-ups. Mix this up with planks to strengthen the muscles you are going to be using. Once you can do 10 to 20 knee push-ups and 30 to 60 second planks, you should be able to do some push-ups. From there, you can build yourself up to 20 to 25 push-ups in a set. If you break this down, you will just need to do 5 sets of 20 push-ups or 4 sets of 25 push-ups to reach 100 push-ups a day. If you can already do 25 push-ups in a set, the typical route for 100 push-ups a day should look like this. For your first week of push-ups, you'll feel something called DOMS, which stands for Delayed Onset Muscle Soreness. This is a sore and aching feeling in the muscles after using muscles that are not used to a particularly intense exercise. The first week is usually the hardest. If you manage to get through to the second and third week, that's great news. These 2 weeks are just about being consistent and sticking with it. This is because your muscles will begin to feel tired after doing 100 push-ups a day and not having time to recover. Typically, it takes 24 hours to recover if you're doing a light workout, and 48 to 72 hours if you're doing an intense workout, so it does depend on how you're finding the push-ups. In the last week, your body should be used to it. You can even change it up slightly by doing different variations like wide push-ups and diamond push-ups, or you can increase the reps to beyond 100 push-ups per day. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you will like this video, and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one.